Here's how to add bullet points in Google Slides. To add bullet points to a text box, click inside the text box and select the lines you want to format. Next, click the bulleted list button on the toolbar. Now type each item on its own line. You'll see your text nicely organized with bullet points. To create nested sub-bullets, place your cursor on the line you want to nest. Then press Tab or click Increase Indent. To outdent, simply press Shift and Tab. Your bullet points will now reflect the new hierarchy. To change the bullet style in Google Slides, first select the text you want to restyle. Then, click the drop-down arrow next to the bulleted list option. Finally, choose your preferred bullet style, and your text will update with the new look. Generate slides with AI in 30 seconds. Try Slidee at slidee.ai.